never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
And welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. Now guys, today I'm really excited because we're going to be showing you a beautiful Airbnb in the center of Ocho Rios. Guys, this Airbnb comes with everything you need for a great stay, and the best thing is the location. Guys, you can walk to all of the amenities, the shops, the plazas from right here at this Airbnb. Before we take a tour of this beautiful Airbnb, let's see what else is included. The facilities within the complex include an on-site restaurant which serves breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is also a swimming pool on the site for families to enjoy. And as part of your stay at this Airbnb, all guests are welcome to free access to the beach, which sits just behind the complex. Now this Airbnb, as previously stated, is located within walking distance to the shops, plazas, restaurants and bars. But what's also great about the location of this Airbnb is that you are not too far from all of the main attractions, including Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Blue Hole, Yemen Adventures, just to name a few. There are so many more, guys, that you can enjoy whilst you stay at this fantastic Airbnb. Adhering to protocol, as you enter this Airbnb, there is a sanitization station which of course allow guests to follow the guidelines and stay safe. The living room is simple yet tastefully decorated, and what I particularly love about this space is the attention to the small details. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you need to whip up a storm. I'm talking blenders, coffee makers, everything you need for an excellent stay at an Airbnb. Really nice touch was that when we came to the Airbnb, we had water in the fridge for us, and we even had beer as well. I tell you, Outlaw really enjoyed the beers. Clean, modern bathroom, and again, for me, it's the attention to small details. So as you can see, the hosts and the owners have left some essentials for their guests if they need it. What a lovely touch. And into the bedroom, which again was simple but very tastefully decorated. The dressing area was fantastic for me to get ready in the mornings, but it was just a beautiful space and really comfortable. We really enjoyed our time there. And a fantastic balcony with a fantastic mountain view. Outlaw and I stayed out here in the evening. We had our meal out here in the evening with some wine. It was really romantic. And there you can also see the tennis court. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Airbnb. If you are interested in staying at this Airbnb or would like some more information about this Airbnb, I'm going to leave the link for this Airbnb in the description. Please click the link to get all the information that you need. Guys, we thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please do watch the ads. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz.
If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.